Hey there, plant parents and gardening enthusiasts. Ever wonder what to do with those leftover coffee grounds after your morning brew? Don't toss them. Your garden might just love them more than you love your morning cup. So what makes coffee grounds a gardener's secret weapon? Well, they're packed with goodies. As they break down, coffee grounds release nitrogen, which is essential for healthy leaf growth. They also contain potassium, phosphorus, and even micronutrients like magnesium and calcium. Think of it as a slow-release fertilizer, improving your soil structure and drainage while it's at it. Now for the exciting part, which plants absolutely thrive on coffee grounds? Acid-loving plants are big fans. We're talking about beauties like azaleas, rhododendrons, hydrangeas, and camellias. Blueberries also get a boost, potentially leading to a more fruitful harvest. And don't forget roses, they're hungry plants that appreciate the nitrogen. How do you use them correctly? The safest way is to add them to your compost pile. They're considered a green material and help with decomposition. If applying directly, always use used and dried grounds. Sprinkle a thin, even layer around the base of the plants, then lightly mix them into the topsoil. Avoid thick layers as they can compact and prevent water from reaching roots. You can also make a coffee tea by diluting grounds in water for a liquid fertilizer. A word of caution, not all plants are coffee lovers. Plants that prefer alkaline soil, like lavender, rosemary, geraniums, and asparagus, might not appreciate the acidity. Also, avoid using them directly on young seedlings or around plants that prefer very dry conditions, like cacti and succulents. When in doubt, a little research or a soil pH test goes a long way. So next time you finish your coffee, remember, those grounds aren't waste, they're a wonderful, nutrient-rich gift for your garden. Happy gardening! Subscribe for more fun facts.